my channel. My name is Priyanka. Today I am back with a new video. I am going to create this no makeup look for you guys. So whenever you are getting late for your college or you are in too emergency to head somewhere and you still want your makeup on, so create this look and you are good to go to start your day. So sometimes when I am getting late to go somewhere or go to my college or anywhere, I just put this look on and I'm good to go, and I'll start my day with this look. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Firstly, I am going to moisturize my face. For the moisturizer, I am using Johnson's Baby Lotion. This will make my base smooth, and the products I am going to apply after that will not look so chappy. This is the best for my skin and I am using this from a very long time. So after this, now I am going to apply the Biotic sunscreen with SPF 50 plus. Try to buy sunscreen with more SPF as it protects your skin and won't let your skin look dull in summers. Like it protects your face from the harsh and the bad sun rays in summers. So I will apply both the products, and after application I will wait for 10 minutes so that the products get fully soaked into my skin. So now I am back. Now I am using NARS concealer to conceal my under eye area and around my mouth and more over my forehead and somewhere where I feel like I have some dark patches or a little dark area. I will put some on it. Now after the application, I will blend the concealer thoroughly with my blending brush. I am using this brush from Sephora. Like their brushes are just lit for me. They are so good in blending. Each and every product blends so well with their brushes. So I will now just blend my concealer. So after this blending my concealer into my face, now to set my concealer and giving a finished look to my face, I will use Maybelline Compact. This gives a full coverage to your face. If you are using this compact, you won't need any kind of foundation on your face. I'm going to use this all over my face and my neck area too, so that my face and my neck doesn't look like they belong to different bodies. I'm going to apply this all over my face for that elegant and pretty natural look. So voila, I'm done. So after this I'm going to use the Maybelline gel eyeliner on my lower eye waterline. I will apply this with the help of the mini brush which comes with this product only. I am applying a thick layer as we are not going to apply the eyeliner, so this will make your eyes look little bigger and gives a great look to your eyes, like an elegant look. So after this I am going to use the Urban Decay Naked Basic Nude eyeshadow palette. From this I am going to use a black smoky eyeshadow on my lower waterline. So with the help of brush I will apply a little product, so it will give your eyes a little smoky effect, like they look so elegant and pretty. So up next I am going to apply mascara. The mascara is also from Maybelline. So I am using it on my upper and the lower eyelashes so that my eyes look little bigger and elegant on the same side. So that will give a decent look to my eyes, like a no makeup look, like it's look a little natural. So and I am using the same mascara to define my brows for a natural look. Like if I do them it will look overdone. So here's the best part of from my whole makeup look. I love to apply blush on my cheeks as it looks so pinky. So as we creating the no makeup look, I am going to use softly tinted one color from my palette from the same brand, Maybelline Master Blush Kit. So I am totally obsessed with this blush kit. They have so nice colors. So after applying my blush, I am going to use my lip shade. So here I am using the Lakme Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 03 Vintage Pink. So mostly with no makeup looks, I like to apply the darker shade of lipstick, as it won't make your face look so dull, or you just kind of pop out with no makeup look with darker lip shades. I would prefer mostly every one of you to apply a darker lip shade with a nude makeup look or a no makeup look, so it will look so much elegant on your face, and it will make your face look so good. So here's my final look. I'm whole done, so now you can enjoy my poses. So guys, this is my final look, and that's it for today's video. I hope you guys loved this video. If you loved this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon below, so every time I post a video you get notified personally. And please like my video and hit that like icon below my video. That will keep me motivated, and I hope you guys love this video. So for more such videos, stay tuned to my channel. Stay beautiful. Thank you so much.